Hey, we're just here. We're gonna switch this split system, and we're gonna install a new heat pump. One of our heat pumps, and this is the outside unit. This is the condenser. We're gonna install a new heat pump here, and then we're gonna go inside, and we're gonna take out the furnace and the coil and install a new air handler over there. So we'll see how it goes. Lines to the unit, so we gonna make an adjustment here, make sure that we got the pipe the way to cut it the way we want it. Then we got the heat trap. We use that paste to keep the heat from damaging the valves. And, after bracing, we're just gonna wait for the inside to brace. Then we're gonna pump it out, which is we're gonna run nitrogen through it, make sure that there is no leaks. Now after that we need to vacuum. That's the longest part. Clear out all the moisture and anything out, and then start it up.